I literally just bought the cutest Hello Kitty stuff on the internet, and in the end of this video I'll unbox this mystery box and then we'll see what's inside here. But before that, I'm going to unbox the small mystery box and then followed by the medium mystery box. Okay, so the first thing, we're gonna unbox this small Hello Kitty tin can, and I bought this from Shopee, so I think it's like 3-4 ringgit. Then inside, what is this? It's a sticker book, Hello Kitty sticker book. And then inside you have all the different designs. Oh, you have chromie too. Then you have more chromie, then also melody inside, and then you also have other cartoon characters like rabbit. What's this rabbit called? Then you got Hello Kitty too. Then when you get injured, Handy Plus. Another sticker, very cute. Bought this in Malaysia for 1 ringgit 50 cent, which is pretty worth it. Then this tin can actually came with this Hello Kitty memo pad. So, you see? Oh, it's actually a sticky note kind of thing. Looks like a coaster. Really looks like a coaster, you see? Next thing is this Hello Kitty stationery organizer. I got this from a TikTok live stream. When you're a Hello Kitty girl, bond is a need. So in this Hello Kitty stationery organizer, there's 4 compartments. No, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 compartments where you can store all your stationery. Then mostly I put my Melody stationery here, so I'm not gonna show you the pens here. And then the next thing, this pencil pouch. I really like this pencil pouch a lot because it is very high quality. Okay, and then inside I actually put a lot of the Hello Kitty charms. So normally you can use these Hello Kitty charms for DIY. Okay, you can see it is very cute. And then in this pencil case, you got another compartment here too. Okay, and then the next thing is this Hello Kitty's notebook. I don't know why it's so expensive. Maybe it's because it is spiral bound notebook, and normally spiral notebooks, they tend to be more costly. And then inside, oh my god, the cutest thing in the world. Got my Melody, and then you got Hello Kitty, and then little twin star over here. Okay, then chromie, so it's very cute. All the pages are the same. Okay, so it's like this. Next thing I'm gonna show you this Hello Kitty stationery set. They actually sell this in Popular in Singapore and also Malaysia. So if you are in Singapore, Malaysia, you will know Popular bookstore. Not sponsored. This is not sponsored by them. Okay. Inside this stationery set, you have all these items. Okay, so it comes in this very beautiful box. Okay, you have your metal pencil case. Really like it a lot because it's so cute, pink. Okay, inside is like this. It's like your 90s pencil case. And then also inside you have your sharpener, eraser, then 2 pencils. Surprisingly, 1 more mechanical pencil. I thought this was a pen initially when I bought it, but turns out that it is actually a pencil, you see? Mechanical pencil. And then it comes with lead. Okay, your mechanical pencil, lead. And then, is this 2B or HB? Normally teachers, they don't like it, so make sure you buy 2B pens. Okay, and then this one goes into the pencil case. Okay, and then also you have 1 more ruler, very cute ruler. Okay, and it's very high quality. It's not those flimsy rulers, so it's good. And next thing is this Hello Kitty bag. So you can use this for shopping. Very cute. And it's very soft, super soft. Like you can use this as a pillow too. Like, then inside, just open it like this, and then you can store all your small little items, makeup stuff, small water bottle, and then it is just way too cute. Then you can bring it up like this for shopping. Okay, next thing, this sticker set. It's like a stamp sticker, so looks pretty cute. Okay, now we are going to open the medium size mystery box, and this box is actually like a coin box. So it comes with your key so that nobody will steal your money. You can also put your very valuable stationery inside. Okay, so when you open it, you just use the key to open, and make sure you keep the key. Okay, and then you open it like this. Okay, so there's a couple of Hello Kitty stuff inside. So the first thing we have, oh my god, the cutest thing in the world, Hello Kitty clip, giant clip. Okay, you have a sticker set. Okay, you have various different designs. You also have keychains which you can decorate. Okay, with, and then all these stickers inside are different designs. Okay, different designs. Okay, so it's not repeated, which is good because you don't want to have all the stickers with the same design, right? And what is this? Oh my god, look at this, is the cutest one. I think I have a chromey one, and then this one is just Hello Kitty with her pinky style, right? You can use this to annoy your friend. And before I go to the large mystery box, this notebook. Inside, it's Hello Kitty all the way. Hello Kitty all the way. And all the pages are the same. You can use it to write your goals, to-do list. The next thing, this one of my favorite things ever. Just look at all the shiny stickers. So this is a solar calculator, and then you don't even need batteries at all. Okay, for some reason it's not working now. Okay, then the next thing, I really like this so much because it is a large capacity pencil case, so it's kind of like a jumbo pencil case, mechanical pencil case. Okay, so then inside you can store a lot of your pens. So I have my Hello Kitty markers inside, and then also I have this eraser, and then a sharpener. So this eraser, okay, I actually bought this from, I think, London, if I'm not wrong. Bought this from London, and it's a roller eraser. And then you can actually open this part where you can put all your small items. This is my Hello Kitty charm. Okay, so it's a mechanical pencil case. Inside I put my Hello Kitty eraser. Okay, Hello Kitty eraser. And then it's actually a sharpener over here. It's built in. Okay, and then over here there's a small compartment over here too, and then it's a very cheap pencil case. So inside again I put on my charms, Hello Kitty charms. Okay, Hello Kitty charms, very cute. Where is the cover? Oh man. And then behind you can write your name and class. Slightly stained when it came, so that's why it's not perfect. Okay, and then I have a couple of, again, Hello Kitty stationery, a ruler, and then an eraser, and then a sharpener, and then I have my Hello Kitty pens. Okay, then you have the red one. This one is very cute too. Then this one is like a slightly orange one. This one's like a slightly orange one. Okay. And this one's like white color. White color, very cute too. So for this box, it's actually a foldable box, okay? So outside over here, you have 3 pockets, and then I put my Hello Kitty watch, and it ran out of battery. And then these are all my Hello Kitty charms for DIY. Okay, for DIY. Over here too, Hello Kitty charms, all are Hello Kitty charms. Okay, this clip, it's a giant Hello Kitty clip. And then also inside there's, okay, this is my Hello Kitty pen set. There's only one left because I put the rest of it inside that pencil case I showed you just now. Okay, but this one is very nice. Very nice, like black and white Hello Kitty. Okay, this one is like a Hello Kitty pouch wallet where you can put your coins, money, then your cards, student card and all that. So inside the compartments, you have a lot of space to put stuff. Of course, you cannot put your notes, but you can put your coins. Okay? So it's very cute. It's like a little book. What's this? And then this one. Oh, I actually got this from London. There are, oh, there's a sticker inside. Sticker set. There's a lot of stickers. Okay, so you have many different designs. So you have one with Hello Kitty with a laptop, and then this one is mostly red color. Okay, then this one is like different colors. Okay, quite glossy too. And then this one is like a transparent Hello Kitty. And then this one is more of pink color. I think I used some of it for DIY. Okay. Alright, then the next thing inside. Okay, we have more charms. More DIY charms inside. And this one I put inside a chromie bag because the seller gave it to me like this. These are all my big Hello Kitty charms. There's one charm I'll show you, it's very cute. It's like a Hello Kitty cake on a small plate. I don't know how can I use this charm. Maybe I use this as a decoration, okay, for my table. Okay, then there are more charms. I wouldn't want to show you too much because you might not be interested in that. Then there's a small little eraser. There's a random eraser inside. Okay, and then oh my god, luggage. Look at this small luggage. Look at this. See? Can it actually roll? Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. Inside is all Pochako charms. Okay, but I really love this luggage a lot. So these are Hello Kitty badges. So you can put this onto your bag or pencil case. And it's gonna look so cute. Next thing. Okay, this memo pad. So expensive for some reason. Okay, so if a glossy cover, inside is actually, I think, different designs. So you can see there's a red color design. You can use this to write down your goals. Okay, and then there's a different design again. And then it's your turn. There's a different design again. Oh, this is very cute. Blue color Hello Kitty. And then it's your turn. Different design again. So this is why it's so expensive, because it comes in different designs. You see, there's a horizontal one too. And then what else? Oh my god, there's a purple one too. So you can pick and choose whichever you want. You see, there are another. There are so many horizontal pages. See, one more. It's Smells so good too. There is a pencil box, and this pencil box is also quite damaging to the wallet. Very cute. And then behind there's also a small compartment to put your stuff. And then look at this, look at this, look at this. The zip is a small little ribbon. Super cute. Okay, when you open it, you have this foam thingy. Smells so good too. And then inside there's no compartments, but you can store a lot of your stuff. This kind of pencil case will last you super long, okay? Not like the one just now. I bought it for one day, then the whole thing broke. More Hello Kitty stationery items over here. Talk to you next time. Bye.